Your ministry deals with economic affairs and climate policy. What do you plan to do to address climate change and demographic aging?
Well, we have a very ambitious program on climate change in industry. Our industry is accounting for about 30% of the total carbon dioxide exit. And this comes together with about 12 big industries that we have in the Netherlands. It's steel producing, it's chemical industry, oil refining and things like that. And we have a special program to discuss and address this with these companies, which consists of, well, investing, of course, of these companies, but also R&D policies to develop new techniques for instance, for using carbon dioxide as a feedstock for chemical industry. So that are the two paths: investing and investigation, R&D.
What is the relationship between green economy, circular economy and the fourth industrial revolution?
I think there's a strong relationship between green economy and circular economy and industrial revolution, because industrial revolution, the fourth industrial revolution, provides us with techniques to put what we used to call waste back into the production process. But it gives us techniques to identify what kind of materials that we have and what the composition of these materials is, so we can pull them out together from each other and use them again in the production processes. So there's a strong relationship between, well, digitalization, industrial revolution, the fourth industrial revolution, and the green economy, for instance, for the circular economy movements.
Do you have any plans to promote research and innovation and to enhance workers' skills?
We have very big schemes on research and development and also innovation. And of course, to adopt this kind of R&D schemes, you need skilled workers. So we have also a big program on human capital, which, well, mainly is that, of course, the training schemes that in the schools and universities, but also the lifelong learning schemes that we do together with companies.